See, I told you that.
You see how she's trying to scandal me? I am brown. I'm a brownian. You know what? You're gonna shut up.
Look how the teeth them are blending into our face.
Wow, is that what we're doing? You know, that's okay. You see, I have to feed these people. You see how they're trying to style me? Yeah, man.
Oh, Lord.
Really?
Go on, poison me.
I would never. I love you too much.
Oh my God.
I love you too much.
At least the people that we know. See them?
Of all the things that you're gonna talk, that's the thing that you're gonna say? Blood upon your shoulder. Kill like today, you cannot.
Kill like tomorrow.
That's alright, I only need to kill you one time.
See that?
Oh, Lord.
So at least I have evidence.
I would never do that to you.
Yeah, we have
I love
evidence.
you.
You see that? That's a fake face right there. You know, if she ever gave you that face, it's fake.
I love you. I absolutely love you. But you know that
You
already.
saw the look that she gave me?
Oh my God.
Yeah, show them the white hand too. Alright, otherwise you're gonna be out there
Are you hearing this?
what they call what do you call it? BDL stink button. Alright. So to clean it, you have to
You have to rub one side.
yeah.
Tap the next side.
Yeah.
And you wipe.
But you wipe.
No.
You hold one side and you hold the next side.
When it really, it kind of take a little time to go back into place. You have a little open.
Because you know me wouldn't know.
No,
I have bum like that. My mom when it comes, they just slap back quick.
No.
You know
So
what?
you're
It
saying,
take a little time to come
God,
back.
the way how she Hold on.
They take a little
Are you being
time.
serious?
I'm serious, man. Listen. I'm serious. I'm not
It takes
lying.
time to go back.
Yo, it's not gonna snap back. When
Is
you
this
have
a real thing?
I don't know. My bum's a regular size bum.
It
My
take a little
bum, but
time.
not bum.
You're not gonna. It take a little. You have a little time for wipe. And then
Pull it again.
yes.
Pull
That's
again.
Anybody that have battery wrong, okay? Anybody, and then look at
Anybody
yours.
will have big battery out there. I saw it go. I saw it really go.
So it go. You have to clean. If you use wipe first, air it out. Which hair?
Also, do you go like this to air it out?
you know what, bitch? How she? You know, fuck. You know, fuck.
But she just did the motion. That airs it out when you make your bum clap.
And which
Why
hazel?
I'm being
And
involved in
which
this
hazel?
discussion?
That's the key.
Which hazel? You wipe. Which
You
hazel?
got the
You let it
back
air.
then
And
air it.
underneath,
Do
air out.
the noise. Do the noise. There you go.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it takes a little time when it really. It see take time to come back again. Okay.
Can you make your
see,
butt clap like that?
Bitch,
I want to hear.
listen.
Is this what we're doing? You know, you fucking hoes. You hoes. Oh my God. Like, oh. I'm in my room minding my business, putting
Okay,
rollers
that's
in
what
my
I
hair.
thought.
It's not really your body.
That's
right?
what I thought, you know.
It's
liars.
Really it's really.
And this
So
is
it's
what
not really
they
their
called
butt
me.
clapping.
It's really
They
your
called me
body.
out here for this. Hold on.
We're gonna get somebody clap.
because we can't get that on the ground.
All right.
Okay, sorry. Just the noise.
Yeah.
Just the nice.
Okay.
Just the nice.
Yep.
So it's really you got to get yourself in the motion with things, right? So
I'm filming the couch because I don't want to scandalize the wifey. Watch here. Watch my wife bond face to blood clot. She's like, shut your fucking mouth.
Guy. But the fact that she's going up and down. while she's
You
doing
know,
it.
come have a seat, please, because
Oh my God. Oh my God.
the joyous
shop?
things that happen in my life.
do it.
I'm going behind the pole.
Okay, hold on a second. Wait. Let me just. I just want everyone to know this conversation came about because Keys, my love, my wife, but she has an obsession with bottom. She has an.
No, loosen up.
You know, I don't even want to show you. Hold
But
on.
here's a joke. I don't mean much that. I mean Millie.
You know what? Oh my God! If I piss up myself today, oh my God!
The way that.
Loosen up, man, loosen up.
You know, I should just stay in my room and mind my business. But no, they have me out here involved in the fucking. Do you see what Keys is trying to do? Watch, I'm crying.
Yeah, no, look.
Guy, the floor is shaking. The TV shaking. The TV shaking. The motherfucking TV is shaking, bitch. The TV shaking. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh.
every day.
Like a tube.
The
That
donut?
shit is painful as fuck.
For your bum. What do you call it?
The donut.
A donut.
Listen,
Let me tell you.
you have to be prepared if you're gonna get batty, you know.
You have to.
Batty's not that
Everybody
easy
have to
to-
get batty.
This is why not everybody can get it.
No, but everybody have to get batty.
Listen, we don't want my batty anymore, you know.
You don't want yours?
No.
So give me
I
some
cut
of
it
yours.
down. I will cut it down.
Cut some and give me.
I will cut it down. You know how much
Is this fucking discussion? Like,
Listen, I just come back from places and people go, wow. You know?
Yeah, every time she posts her workout video, I'm just like, my God.
Yeah, like it's
So
heavy.
she
It's heavy.
couldn't just give me little.
It's heavy. You know when things are heavy?
Just give
It's
me
heavy.
little.
Like it's not
So
even
when
trash.
people bless and then get it and they don't want it. And you have everybody else with just them bare back. I want little bit, just little bit. I can't get it. Life hard, you know. Life hard. Guys, so you're wicked. You got a bad angle. So she goes, really? I got a bad angle? Look. Hold on. She goes, really? I got a bad angle? And this is my face. That's not my bum.
Yeah.
but because I know her and I know that I would get cussed, she'd be like, no, you didn't take the picture good?
In
Oh
my
my
head, I'm like,
God.
there's no way.
I took 2 additional pictures.
What is that? That's an extended back.
No, it's not. You do have one.
That's an extended.
You do have
You
one.
are a liar. As a matter of fact, it's just an extended leg.
It's not.
Look at the leg.
Listen,
Look at the leg.
if you didn't have none, you wouldn't have that little crease here.
That's probably from where I was sitting in the car.
Bitch.
That's probably just a crease from where I was sitting in the car. Oh my God. To this day,
I took it from 7 motherfucking angles, so she could
because
never
the thing is,
tell
when
me.
I went to rebuttal, oh God, you didn't take it on the right angle, right? I didn't even get to say it.
And
The
I said,
words-
okay,
the words
all right,
came
bitch,
out
no
my
problem.
mouth fast
No
enough for her to be
problem.
like- For her to go like this with the phone guy. Bap, bap,
Yeah.
pick.
Yeah.
I was like this.
Yeah,
I was like,
yeah. Because your buttylessness would have been my fault.
Oh my God.
Absolutely not.
no,
that
Trisha,
angle was no
no,
good.
Trisha, look. Trisha, look now. Where's the crease that you're talking about? And my legs are bent. Come, my legs are bent. Hey, my friend, come. Don't be afraid.
Oh my God.
Don't be afraid to look at my ass. Guy.
Oh my God.
Who did this to me? Who did this to me?
Oh my God.
I think I'm gonna like fold this one like this
Because she knows.
Why?
Like, don't make no suggestion.
and then go all the way down.
Oh, it's like a little bit right here.
But even squeeze it.
Okay, yeah, I see what you're saying.
Mm-hmm.
You need to twist
I
it
don't
up
want it to break because I had some pieces that feel like that at the ends,
and then end up breaking
and I can
out.
just go like I was just going like this. If you want.
Stop it.
And I cut my ends.
Yeah, no, because your hair looks healthy though.
I cut the ends.
Your
Have
hair's
you
so
found that since you
long.
dyed it? That's what the. That's
No.
why?
No, she died it so long ago.
I dyed it. I dyed it year 2.
It's hard to get
Really?
that color. I like that gold color because a
I
lot
was
of people
waiting.
don't do it.
I wanted to wait 1 full year.
I thought for whatever reason it was year 3 that you did it. Because we moved to Stafford year 2.
It's possible.
Yeah, I think it was year 3 you did it. Because it wasn't in the first year that we were
I
in
had to save up
Stafford.
money for that.
Yeah, how much was it?
I had like $600.
Are you fucking kidding me?
The
For
color.
what? That's not a Botox. I can't.
I promise you she lives to
I'm
traumatize
telling you,
me.
there's asses out here that I own, girl.
No. Ridiculous. Absolutely
You
ridiculous.
saw it, right? Here it is.
Why did I need to see it?
Had my name on it. Literally.
Why do you have that picture?
I told you I was just scrolling.
Did you delete it? You're not going to delete it, are you?
Of course not. Me like bottom. If man have nice bottom, hey, me and him there.
But do you guys really have nice bums though?
Some of them do.
This is the fucking conversation we're having
like,
now. We're
seriously?
still stuck on
Some
Bati.
of them don't. Most of them don't. It's so hard.
See, but I like to squeeze a little bit. If I
That's what I'm
can.
trying to say. But you see,
You know?
but how?
Oh boy, I'm not
what's
high
what I'm
enough for
looking
this.
for?
I'm not high enough for
How
this.
hypocritical?
Yes, bitch. Let the fucking English word kill you.
Is it me?
What is it?
Trying to play like she ain't fucked
Straight out. Straight out. And ruin straight out. Like,
They did look at us stuff.
y'all have no idea. You guys think it's so nice, and this lady steady tears it. She's playing videos from one of our trips where she just wilded the fuck out. Yep. Me hyping up her drunk ass. Watch your. Oh my god, I forgot about that. Yep. I hope you all are having a fabulous Saturday.
Oh my god.
And you hear her, she goes, I'm not gonna